Morning students. Today we will learn mail merge. In business as well as in personal matters, it is often required to send letters with similar information to different people. The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. Changing the address each time would be a very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Using mail merge. Mail merge feature of Microsoft Word is used to combine a data source which contains addresses of all the recipients with the main document. It saves your time and energy to send letters to multiple addresses. Using mail merge, data source. Data source consists of a mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. we can give. The data source is associated with the main document so that its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge address with the main document. Main document, it contains the text that you wish to send to the recipients. Merge field, it is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data source like name, address, information in the main document. Mail merge involves three basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, and merging the data source with the main documents. Let's do it with the help of system or computer or practically. Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter in Microsoft Word. Click on Mailing tabs in the Start Mail Merge group. Click on Start Mail Merge drop down arrow and select Step by Step Mail Merge wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side. Now select the Letters radio button. Click on Next Start Document under Step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. Use the current document. Okay. Then select recipients. Creating a data source. Type a new list radio button. Okay. Mail merge task pane. Click on the create options we have clicked. New address list dialog box appear on the screen. Click on the customize button and to add or remove fields. Yes, I'm removing fields here. Only the required field and there will be left by me. I removed all the extra field. I just want to add name, address and city. If we want to add field from my side, my own field, we can also add new field here or we can also remove the field. Predefined or built-in fields we can remove from here. Phone number and just name. City I also remove because I'll mention city in the address bar. Then click on OK button. Okay, type new entry means enter 3 to 4 students record of your friends or relatives. We can students, friends or relative record we can enter here. After adding records, I'm on third, I'm entering here third record. Then click on OK button. You will get the save address list dialog box. Specify your name, in the file name text box and click on the save button. Means where you want to save this address file. The mail merge recipients dialog box will appear. This dialog box displays the detail of all the records added by us. I am saving my file on the desktop. Okay, we can see all the records added by us. To change any detail, we can select the data source and click on edit button located under the data source box. When you are through, click on OK to confirm and close the window. Okay, suppose you want to change, we can change any student's record. Suppose you want to change the city, your contact number, name, we can easily. Address list, click on edit, we can make changement here. Okay, but I don't want to do any type of changement here, then click on OK button. Note that by default tick marks are placed in the check boxes next to the data source field. Got it? It indicates that these records are selected. Now click on next, write your letter wizard. Step 3 of 6 section in the mail merge task pane. Inserting mail merge field. Okay, how to insert the field of mail merge? Right insert field, under right insert field group, place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record fields. Select the mailing tabs and then click on the insert merge field button in the right hand insert field group. The insert merge field dialog box appear, and one by one we are adding in the created field. Then click on I have inserted all the field name, address and state. Viewing the merged data. How to view the merged data? We can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merged field or not. By viewing on the screen, click on the preview results button in the preview result group of the mailing tab or select next preview your letters wizard. Step 4 of 6. Yes, preview. The first record will be displayed. Click on the next record button in the preview result group to view the next record of the data source. We can check first record. Suppose I want to view the second record, then click on next button. Yes. By this we can see all the records. Printing the merged letter. We can take the printout of our letter with the merged data of our data source. In order to print the letters, click on the finish and merge buttons. Finish and merge button in the finish group of the mailing tab. Select the print document option from the drop down menu. Or another option we have, complete the mail merge. Step 5 of 6 action in the task pane and then click on the print options. Okay, we can take a printout. Suppose you want to take the printout of all records, we can take the printout all, or if you want to take the printout of particular, then we have to give the page range. Students, how to take the normally printout? Generally we are taking printout through the file menu. Print option is here. Yes, we can see the margins and we can set the margins through the page setup. Print all pages. Many options are available here. Print current page. Current page means that page is visible where is the cursor, currently open page. Or print all the pages, or print custom page. Suppose we have 3 pages. I don't want to take the printout of page number 2nd. Then 1 or 3rd. I have given range here 1 or 3rd. Then if we want to do other types of setting, we can do settings, or otherwise don't. Then click on print options and we can take the printout. Got it, students? Thank you.